Time now for our first look at weather with Brian Neudorff. A little windy once again out there today, Brian.
Yeah, Joe, it is got a nice strong breeze. You can see the trees behind me just blowing, but we can also give you more proof. Let's take you atop the broadcast center as we're outside our Mountain Home Auto Ranch sky camera, and you can see the flag just flailing there in the wind. And strong winds will remain here this evening. Not as bad as it have, but it's very comfortable temperature-wise. It is nice almost. Now, graphic-wise, winds have been anywhere between 15 and 20, maybe even 25 miles an hour, and gusting at times into the upper 20s to near 30 as you look here at the wind gusts across the region. Temperatures very pleasant, low to mid 70s here across the Magic Valley. And if you're dealing with allergies, here's why. The pollen count, you can see there, high. So is the sagebrush, mold high. And of course, we're going to have plenty of sunshine. You're going to need some sunscreen and sunglasses. But how long will these cool temperatures last? And what about the weekend? Stick around. I'll tell you more in your Weather Authority forecast.
This is your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Brian Neudorff.
Well, it has definitely been kind of cool around here, and it's going to get colder tomorrow, but it could always be worse. Here's some weather video out of snow in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and they've been dealing with power outages. There's been snow reported as far as in North Dakota, Montana. So again, we're not dealing with this in September. Take a look here what we have. We'll move on. As you can see here, we do have some cold type advisories. There is a freeze watch in effect for Lincoln, Minidoka, parts of Cassia County, parts of southeastern Blaine County for tomorrow night into early Friday morning. Some places could drop 28 down to 32 degrees. So sensitive plants, you might want to start preparing now to protect that activity. And I don't think it's going to be all that cold here in the Magic Valley, but it might be wise for those of you in Jerome, Twin Falls to maybe think about bringing those plants in, not tonight, but tomorrow night. Right now it is 72 degrees out of the Magic Valley Regional Airport. Stanley at 62, Burns at 77, and you can just see where the cold air is. That's why that snow was there in place. 41 degrees, Helena, Montana. That system's going to pass just by. It's going to stay just to the north of Divide, but we will get our coldest day of the week for tomorrow. We may not even get into the 70s. Heck, we may not even get into the upper 60s. But satellite and radar here, as you see that storm system pinwheeling there, bringing areas of rain and even a little bit of snow in Montana. But high pressure keeping us high and dry. Things look very, very nice, and that will continue over the next few days. A little bit of a breeze, and that's going to continue here this evening. Thursday, well, we've got cold temperatures with that high pressure just on its eastern side, but I like to say it's going to be very comfortably cool, very October-like as we head into tomorrow, and we'll show you those temperatures on a Futurecaster. Here we head into tomorrow morning. We are starting off anywhere from the 30s and a few 40s, but high temperatures, low, mid-60s, and maybe even some places not even reaching 60. Yeah, that's right. Up in the Haley area, Wood River Valley, you may see most of your day in the 50s. Bit of a breeze still. Temperatures, look at this, a lot of 30s. We might even be close to that here in Twin Falls. That's why those freeze watches are in place here across the eastern part of the state. But then Friday, we're heading into the Friday night football here in fall. A little warmer, kind of like today. Should be a nice night, nice day, less wind, and the trend of warming, well, that's going to continue going into the weekend. Let's take you through tonight. Wood River Valley, clear, cold, brisk, 34 degrees. Evening breezy conditions, otherwise clear, getting down to chilly temperatures there around 42. And the Minnecasia region, 40 degrees, clear, breezy this evening. And then temperatures cold, maybe 40s and a few 30s. The chilly day, though, is tomorrow. Wood River Valley, 56 Ketchum, 58 Haley. A little bit of a breeze, as you see here across the western Magic Valley. You're looking at 62 degrees gutting over towards Shoshone. You're at 63, sunny and breezy, cool and brisk. Here we go into the Twin Falls County. Buell there at 65, Jackpot at about 64. But again, a little bit of a breeze, definitely brisk, 10 to 15 miles an hour out of the northeast, well below average by almost 20 degrees. And the Minnecasia region, lots of sunshine, breezy, cool, brisk. Rupert 62, Albion 60, Malta 61 degrees. But we are warming up. You want to see the weekend? We'll tell you that next in your 7-day forecast. And as we go over your 7-day forecast, brought to you by Middlecoff Auto Group. Thursday, 66 degrees, chilly. Then Friday, it's going to be nice, 73. And then look at that, if you're tired of the cool air, 82 degrees Saturday, 84 Sunday. And this time around, looking ahead to next week, we stay warm, at least through Wednesday, 84, 85, back to 84 degrees, and looks like we're going to stay dry too, really, the next several days. And the mountains, similar situation, 60 degrees tomorrow, the coolest day of the next 7, up to 66 degrees on Friday. Then we're back into the 70s Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're hovering right around 80 degrees, so some very pleasant weather, lots of dry conditions, and we will warm up after we hit those chilly temperatures for tomorrow. And there's a look at your forecast.